Hey guys, I'm Sean from DeWilt Marine and Power Sports in Innisfil. We are Ontario's largest Yamaha sport boat dealer, and today I'm going to take you through the new 2021 Yamaha 255 XD. Sweet. As we float down the side of this gorgeous 255 XD, this boat measures 24.5 feet in length, comes with some flip-up cleats, a gorgeous, aggressive Yamaha sport boat graphic on the side of it in suede gray, black, and lime green theme. Access here to your fuel, where the boat holds 265 liters of fuel. Comes also with a tandem axle trailer with mag rims and brakes, along with a swing tongue. Now let's move to the back of the stern, where the magic happens. Yamaha's new 2021 255 XD comes equipped with Yamaha's integrated surf point system, which are these bad boys under here. These are the wake enhancers. With the push of a button, will drop, enhancing the wake on either starboard or port side of the boat to make that nice crisp surf wake. Moving on into the boat, you can see you've got a telescoping ladder to make it easy to board the boat from in the water with grab handles, along with controls to your stereo, a cup holder, and a removable dinette table that can be stored inside the boat. Now come on with me and let's board this bad boy. Now, sitting at the stern of the 255 XD, you'll find ease storage to any fenders, towels, swim gear that you'd like, along with a 12-volt plug-in to help you pump up any inner tubes that you may have for your water sports. Yamaha also has their patented clean-out ports in case you happen to ingest any rope or weeds, along with a large wet storage area. Moving on into the boat, you'll find these two backrests are offset. That's because with the pull of a button, you can slide the backrests so you can have rear-facing seats, or slide the backrest so that you have rear loungers on both sides. Follow me into the cockpit where some of the other magic happens. Right off the hop, you're gonna see this big canopy bimini top that's mounted to our folding aluminum wakeboard tower, along with 3 large wet sound speakers, some lighting, and swivel wakeboard racks. You have a dinette table here, can be easily set up, a couple extra drinks, some lunch, a nice storage area here with a light for any safety gear or somewhere to store your lunch, besides your cooler where all your cold drinks are going to be. Underneath all of our seats here, we do have storage. With the 255 XD, we do have 1,600 pounds of ballast in 3 ballast sections. As you can see underneath this one is where one of your ballast tanks are stored. And underneath this seat here is where you're going to find your other ballast along with your battery storage area. If you're wondering what these are filler cushions where you can set in that piece, slide in that piece. Now you have seating for everybody in the cockpit. So before we move through the rest of the cockpit, I need to show you this. This is where all the ponies are stored. Oh yeah. Now these are Yamaha's twin 1.8 liter SVHO supercharged engines, packing 500 ponies. Now, they have moved the air boxes to both port and starboard side, so it's a little easier to work on this year. But this bad boy is gonna go pretty good. Moving right on into the cockpit, you'll see right away, 2 captain's chairs, swiveling, reclining, with access to a table, extra storage area, lockable glove box for any important, a USB plug-in, more cup holders, and another spot for a phone, and a nice table if you wanted to set something up there. Moving on to the helm, this looks like something out of Tron. Very, very cool. 12.3 inch display, Connects display. Illuminated cup holder here, another cup holder there, a smartphone holder, which swivels. The drive system. Now this is where this boat becomes the XD series. Now, the drive system paddles at the helm here. Left paddle is for reverse, right paddle is for forward. It's gonna help you in docking. Now these only work for docking procedures, but it makes it easy so you don't have to take your hand off the wheel to fall down to your throttle, which is key. As you can see, this 12.3 inch Connects screen. Now nothing major has changed in the last year or two with the Connects system, but for those of you that may not know, it is very easy to use. With the click of or push of a button, you get your home screen here where it's going to show your water temperature, your speed, along with some other things here on the screen. You have your GPS, fuel economy. This is where all your wake settings are going to be, such as your surf point. So port side, wake enhancer down, starboard side, wake enhancer down and back up. This is where you're going to be able to fill your ballast system, all 3 of them, from left to right, and have a couple different rider settings. Moving on, you have your stereo and all your lighting. Moving on through the boat, from the helm seat, you have easy access to your center storage compartment, which is enormous. This is where your 3rd ballast bag is set. And you can drain it. You can store wakeboards, skis, tubes, as well as easy access to your head or a larger storage compartment. As you can see, it's lit up. With a nice rack, you can hang wet life jackets or put a porta potty in there. This is also where you can store your table mount, your table, some toilet paper. Moving on into the bow, this is where you're going to find your draft shield, which easily flops in there. When you close the window, keeps those cool mornings or cool evenings from the cold air coming through into the cockpit, making it nice and comfortable for you. And there's also optimal storage in there. Now, the bow. Isn't this comfy? The bow is the best spot for the kids. I'm not one of those though. This is where you'll find Yamaha's removable bow cushions. Easily take a bow cushion out, store it underneath the seats, or have a third forward-facing seat. Now in the bow of the boat, you'll see I took this one section out. For some of the smaller kids, they can sit forward-facing with a nice grab rail here that they can hold on to while you're going down the lake. Some cup holders and steps for bow boarding. If you're at the beach, there is a reboarding ladder along with anchor storage. So you can flip the ladder over, get off at the beach, go play. Underneath all the bow seats here, there is more storage under both port and starboard side. It's the 255 XD, everybody. Enjoy. I'm Sean from DeWilt Marine and Power Sports here in Innisfil, Ontario, Ontario's largest Yamaha dealer. Thanks for coming on this tour with me. Catch you next time.